Hi guys and welcome back to today's vlog. Today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial. So I've just got my eyeshadow palette here, just a Body Shop. Open it up here and just going to get a brush. 1 second you guys. Oh, there we are. So I'm going to be using this one and this one. So I'm going to be using this in the crease, and I've got my mirror here, so if you see me guys looking in this way, it's because I've got a mirror here. So I've got some on my brush and using it in the crease. So I'm going to be using this in the crease. Can't really see that guys, but I put it in the crease, and I'm going to be taking the base colour for my lid. Like that. I'm going to be doing the same for the other eye. So using this. For the crease, and then using, oh no, this for the base. And this colour is just gonna be over like on the other eye as well, but it's okay. So this is the eyeshadow look. If you guys want to go and try that, you are more than welcome to. I just thought I'd do this video guys for you, so for beginners, you know how to do your eyeshadow. So yeah, if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Turn that post notifications on so you never miss an upload. And I'll be putting my Instagram at the end of the video for you guys, so you can go ahead and follow me. So yeah, bye guys.